Today we are making omelets.
This is the third time making omelette with Papa. We can make a playlist out of it named
Papa's Omelet Guide. Finito!
That's a good name.
This is that special weird fried omelet that I was talking about.
Let's make Papa's weird omelette.
Heat 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a non-stick pan over medium heat and
Heat 1 microspoon of unsalted oil over a non-stick pan.
as soon as that begins to bubble and it's fully melted,
It's fully in liquid form.
crack in 4 whole eggs.
Cracking one whole egg.
Let those cook just until the whites are set.
Let it cook until whites are set.
Hit it with some salt, then
Hitting with NaCl.
add a lid and let them cook for 30 more seconds
Adding lid.
just to take care of any extra uncooked egg white.
No uncooked extra egg white.
But leave the yolks runny or you make a sad papa.
Runny yolks. No Papa sad.
Then simply add the cheese of your choice.
My cow died last week.
You lying to people.
Get it extra melted with a torch.
I don't have a fancy torch.
Snag your spatula and fold that bad boy in half.
Fold that good boy in half.
And look, whether you like it or not, this is how I like to eat it. Pop it onto a plate.
I know I'm gonna like it because I made a regular fried egg with a crazy twist. Fold it inside, Papa.
A lot of people were like, what the heck? A fried egg cheese omelet?
Yep, that's me. Look how I struggle with this.
Failure! Yeah!
You wanna know what else is full of tubes flowing with goopy yum yum?